everybody, welcome to my channel Shara's Classroom. In this video we will learn about a perimeter. Okay, we will learn the concept of perimeter and we will solve some exercise. Okay, so let's start our video. So what is a perimeter? So simply we will tell it the sum of all the sides of a polygon. So here we have a rectangle. So our perimeter of this rectangle will be the full length of this rectangle, means 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. This will be our perimeter. Okay. So the perimeter is the sum of all the sides of the polygon. Polygon means many sides of a rectangle, means it will be a circle, rectangle, square, any side. Okay. So the perimeter of this rectangle will only simply the full length of this rectangle's border. Okay. So we will find the perimeter of this rectangle. So perimeter will be is equal to 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. This will be the perimeter of this rectangle. We will calculate it. So it will be the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay. So the perimeter of this rectangle is equal to 24. So this is the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay. So we can find any polygon's perimeter by this method. Okay. So simply we will go for its formula. Okay. Let's go. So let's take the formula of a rectangle. So the formula of the rectangle is length plus width plus length plus width. Means the length plus width plus length plus width. Simply 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by width. Means 2 length, 2 width. Okay. So the formula is 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. Simple like the simple, only simple. Okay. So the formula of the rectangle is so simple. Let's go for the formula of a square. So here comes the formula of a square. The square is so simple shape now. So therefore the formula of square is sum of all 4 sides. The sum of all these 4 sides means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 or simply 4 multiplied by any side. Means 4 multiplied by any side means 2. So this is equal to 4 to the 8. So the perimeter of the square is 8 because all the sides of the square are equal. Okay. 4 multiplied by side is so easy for remembers. Okay. So let's go for the next. So the formula of a triangle for finding the perimeter is sum of all 3 sides because the sides of the triangle are different. Therefore take this for example 3 plus 4 plus 5. This will be the perimeter of the triangle. Okay. So formula of polygon. Polygon means it may any number of sides, any number of corners like the sum of all the sides. Any sides we have to only add it. Okay. Let's go further. So perimeter is simply we will learn the all the sum of all the sides is perimeter. Understand? So let's solve some exercise on the perimeter. Okay. So why we take exercise? We take exercise for our practice that what we have learned in our video. Okay. So the first question is find the perimeter of the following figures. This is so simple. You can solve it before me and write the answer in comment. Okay. So the first figure is this square. So we have given only one side of this square. So simple is the side of square are equal. Okay. So we will find the perimeter of this square only by one side. So what is this formula of finding the perimeter of the square? So the formula of finding the perimeter of the square is 4 multiplied by side. So we will take 4 multiplied by what is the length of the side? 4 centimeter. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. So the perimeter of this square is equal to 16 Simple. Okay. So next figure is our this rectangle. We have given only one length and one width. So the next length of this rectangle will be, so the next length of that rectangle will be the same, means 10 meter. So breadth will be also the same, 5 meter, 5 meter. Okay. So we have find the full length of this rectangle. So we will find the perimeter of this rectangle. So what is the formula of this? Means 2 multiplied by length. What is our length? 10 plus 2 multiplied by breadth. What is our breadth? 5. So let's find it. 2 multiplied by 10, 20 plus 2 multiplied by 5, 10. So this is equal to 30. Very simple. So the perimeter of this rectangle is equal to 30. Okay. It was very simple. Okay. I think you understand it very well. So let's go for our next question. Okay. So our next question is, what is the difference in the perimeter of the given figures? We have to find the difference between the perimeter of these figures. So our first figure is a rectangle by the length of 18 cm and breadth of 9 cm. And the second figure is 12 cm length and 6 cm breadth. So first we have to find the perimeter of the given figure, because in question we have asked that find the difference in the perimeter of the given figure. So first we will find the perimeter of the first figure, that is 18 by 9. So this is equal to our formula 2 length, 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. So 2 multiplied by 18 plus 2 multiplied by 9. This will take from 9 to that 30. What? 9. Tell me 36 plus 9 to the 18. Okay. So add it. We will find the perimeter of it. So 36 plus 18 is equal to 54. So this is the perimeter of the first figure, 18 by 9, 54. Okay. So second is 6 by 12 centimeter multiplied by 6. Once the length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 6 centimeter. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by 12 plus 2 multiplied by breadth. What is our breadth? 6 centimeter. Okay. So this will is equal to 24 plus 12. Okay. 24 plus 12 is equal to 36. The perimeter of the second figure is 36. Okay. So now we have to find the difference between it. So how we will find the difference is equal to, we will subtract it from the bigger figure. So 54 minus 36 is equal to 18. So our answer is 18. So the difference between the perimeter of these two figures is 18. Okay. Very simple it was, and you can solve it by your own also. You can take another figure from this. Okay. So let's go for our next question. So our third question is, 4 rounds of a wire fence have to be around a square garden of length 80 meter. How much wire is needed? So here our question is, there is a square garden whose side of its length is 80 meters. So here our question is, 4 rounds of a wire fence, means we have to take a wire fence of 4 rounds of a square garden with length 80 meter. How much wire is needed? So we have to take 4 rounds, means 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first we have to find the perimeter of this square garden. So our side is 80 meter. So we will find a perimeter of this square, and then we will multiply it by 4. Okay. So the perimeter of it will be 4 multiplied by 80. 4 multiplied by 80 will is equal to 320. So this is the perimeter of this square garden. Okay. So it's not enough. We have to round it 4 times. So we will multiply this number by 4. 320 multiplied by 4 is equal to 1280. Okay. So the wire that must be needed for the 4 round of the wire fence is equal to 1280 meters long. Okay, it was very simple. You can solve by your own also. Okay. So answer is 1280 meter. Okay. So let's go further to our next question. Okay. So our next question is fourth number. Length of a rectangle is 40 centimeter. So if the perimeter of the rectangle is 136 centimeter, what will be the breadth? Some bit confusing. So the length of, here we have given the rectangle with a length of 40 centimeter. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 136 centimeter. So what will be the breadth of the rectangle? So we have find the breadth of the rectangle. Okay. So our formula of this rectangle is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Okay. So here we will take the two length. Okay. So what will be our two length? Means 40 plus 40, it will be 80. So we have take two length. So now we will subtract it from the perimeter, means 136. 136 minus means 80. So here we will get the two length, means the two breadth of that rectangle. Okay. So what is 136 minus 80 is equal to 56. So our 56 is the two breadth of the rectangle. So here we got a two breadth of the rectangle. Now we will find one breadth of the rectangle. So 2 means we will divide it by 2. So if we will divide 56 by 2, it will be 28. So here we find our breadth of the rectangle, and it is 28. Very easy. So our rectangle is finished. But 40 centimeter, 28, and perimeter is equal to 136. Okay. So here it was very simple. I think you understand it well. Okay. So let's go next. So here we have finished our video. I think you understand about the perimeter very well. Simply, perimeter is the length, size of this rectangle. All the boundary, length of this boundary of the rectangle is equal to perimeter. Okay. So it was very simple. We have taken the concept of this perimeter, formula of the perimeter, and also some exercise question that was also hard and some bit simple also. So I think you will understand this video. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.